Okay, I'll do a couple more of these syllogistic arguments. Okay, let's see, we're going to do, where is it? Let's see, let's try number 5. We'll just skip around. We won't do all of them. Let's do number 5. If you read it, you have to decide which elements to put inside of which elements. I'm going to say that I have, since it says all, I'm going to put 6-year-olds. Okay, I'm going to make a little circle for the 6-year-olds in this circle, and they are all believers. Okay, Johnny is 7. Where does he go? Well, he could go anywhere except inside the 6-year-olds circle. You just can't put Johnny someplace where he would contradict the 2 premises that all 6-year-olds believe in Santa, which we have right here, all 6-year-olds believing in Santa. And Johnny is 7, so he just can't go inside this circle. So Johnny, he can be put either here or out here. You would choose the one which would contradict the conclusion. It says Johnny does not believe in Santa. So if I put Johnny out here, then that conclusion would follow, but I don't have to put him out there in order to maintain the truth of those first 2 premises. So Johnny can be 7 years old right here, and he's still a believer. So this one was invalid. All right, now that was number 5. Okay, let's look at number 6 now. Some very cool people wear Nike. I wear Nike. I guess I must be cool. Well, here's how you have to draw this one. Here's the people who wear Nike in this circle. And it says some cool people. So you would have to draw another circle over here. This would be cool people. And you draw it so there's room for some of them. It's not all of the circle is inside of the Nike, but only some of it. So you leave room for people who are not cool. They're somewhere in the Nike area, outside of the cool people circle. And there's some people outside out here who also don't wear Nike. Some do, some don't. So I'm in here, this is me, I wear Nike. So I could put myself in here also. That would make the conclusion follow that I'm cool. But if I'm trying to find a way to not be cool so that conclusion doesn't follow, then I would put myself over here. So even though I could put myself in 2 places, I'm going to put it here because this proves that conclusion doesn't have to follow. So we have invalid. I'm not cool, and I still wear Nike. So that's bottom line. Invalid. Okay, let's try to do one more of these. Let's try number, let's see. I guess we could do example 9. I guess we could do example 9. And this one says many of today's most successful people were A students back in college. So here you're gonna draw a circle of successful people. And it says many of today's were A students. So not all. So here is where you would put your A students. Okay. So some of them might be successful because they're A students, but some of them might not. Now, Jack gets all C's in college, so he can't go into this circle here, but he can go anyplace else. You can put Jack out here or here. Still maintain the truth of these premises. So in order to contradict that conclusion, you would have to put Jack inside here. Okay, which is fine. So that would make this invalid. In other words, Jack will never be successful after college. Doesn't necessarily have to be true just because he's not an A student. So you had to put Jack out here. You couldn't put him in with the A students, but he could still be successful outside the A student circle. So that one was another invalid argument.